Hi, this is Mark. So this morning I showed you a potential Bitcoin breakout. I actually spoke about this a few days ago, that we're in a flag pattern and it has broken higher by $3,000 today. I also showed about gold and silver pulling back at levels I would be interesting to buy, and also a couple of trades, and also my thoughts about where the dollar may be going today, and also the S&P and the NASDAQ. So then later in the day, mid-afternoon, before the big US news, I explained that Bitcoin was up 2,000, so I'd move my stop to entry plus the 400. Euro New Zealand was up 100 pips, stop to entry plus 20. I've since taken a chunk off and moved the stop again, and I think about 45 now. And the Aussie yen, which I was least confident about, and I was umming and ahhing when I take it's my bag, I have reduced the loss on that potentially. So it was originally risking 0.5%. In the end, I got taken out and it lost 0.33%. So as ever, when you're in a trade, the first priority is to reduce the risk. Since then, we've had the US news came out better than expected. So let's have a look at the impact on the charts. So this is that Euro New Zealand. I have now moved the stop. I've taken off 70 odd percent of this. I have moved the stop to lock in 50 pips on the balance, just below this 200 EMA. I took off a chunk up here at the top. The dollar index, I was saying this morning, it looked to me as though it was drifting higher, but I would expect it to reject at 100, or here at the recent low, which I think is just below 99.80, and at the moment that's what it's doing, and then we're half an hour away from London's close, so it's probably going to run out of steam there, and it's done the average daily range as well. I also was talking about the NASDAQ, how it was trying to break higher, and now the NASDAQ is back at 2,000, major psychological level. We're going to have to leave this till Monday now because it's NFP tomorrow. If NFP comes out better than expected, this could shoot up. I do not expect this rally to continue, and I will be looking to reasons to short or take an option to short. S&P currently is being held down by the 200 EMA, and so we'll have to see what happens there. Gold and silver, I have orders in lower down, and oil, I showed you the drop. So this is Bitcoin. Showed you this a few days ago. This is a potential 11,500 pip move, and so far it has done 2,800. And if we do the 11,000, it starts to get back up to near the all-time highs, which is what we're hoping for. And I showed you this on a daily and on a 4-hour. This is the pendant, the consolidation area. This is the flagpole. This is the idea of the move. So all in all, a good day, and the AUD yen would still be in, I think, just if I had left the stop in. But I showed you in the forum, I explained I had moved my stop initially from here, I think it was, into here, and then later on this has now been taken out because of that slightly better than expected US news. Okay, so there are trades out there. These were A-grade setups and being very profitable. Again, patience and discipline wins the day. Have a great week. Catch you later.